guys didn't know, this is Half Lucid Jewelry, right?
Yes.
I wanted to get the Instagram name right. She was in another one of my episodes, and this time she has another beautiful poofy sleeve dress, baby doll dress, and a new crown that she just made. Check out the little jewels on the side.
And they're all detachable also, so you can wear it with just one or with all three or two or however you'd like to wear it.
And is the dress the same company as before?
Yes, so this is another Selkie dress. This is my first time wearing it. I really love their clothes. I think that they're great. They're size inclusive. They go up to a 5X, which is great.
Amazing.
So, yeah.
And we have a new friend today.
Hello.
What's your name?
Missy Yellow. I'm Alicia.
Is Missy Yellow the Instagram name?
Yeah, Missy Yellow.
Got it. Check out her catnip toys. Absolutely amazing. I have my eye on this little heart potion and this little ramen. Check out Bob Ross over there. And so beautiful. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Hello. Nice to finally meet you. This is Ian Alexander. I recently went to his fashion show, so I have a video out on that, and that's how I recognized him with the apparel that was shown in the fashion show. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Hi guys, so I'm wearing an outfit from my 4th collection. It's mainly inspired by Sterling Ruby and this film director named Alejandro Jodorowsky. And it's just a bleached denim outfit. I bleached this hoodie and I made these pants. But it's all cut and sewn by hand, and I do it all in my studio.
I love that. Let me get the details on the back as well. I love it. I love the fashion show. And what shoes do you have on today?
The shoes are Mason Margiela Future Highs. I got these because Kanye wore them during the Jesus tour, and they were one of my grails.
That's awesome. And what's your Instagram for the vlog?
It's ianalexander.studio.
Thank you so very much. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Kira.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah. I got my fur coat from some Depop or something.
Yeah, let me see the back. I love that. Okay.
I got an undercover shirt that I cropped, and a Harley Davidson shirt.
Dope.
I got some crusties I made.
Oh, you made these?
Yeah.
Let me get some details in if you don't mind. These are awesome. So do you have an apparel line, or did you just make these one jeans?
Yeah, I just made them and I wear them until they like rip.
Okay, that's what's up. And I like your belt as well.
Thanks.
That's really fire. Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, it's Kira the Killer with an H at the end.
Kira the Killer?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Have a good day.
Hi, what's your name?
Name's Meetcunty.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Well, I got like this racer jacket, NASCAR.
That's dope. Can I check out the back? Nice. It's like Rasta colors a little bit too.
Yeah, something like that.
And your jewelry?
So like this, I got these rings. They're basically like, I got this from like a shop. What's it called?
By St. Mark's?
Yeah, same works.
Okay, dope.
I got like, a
And
little chain here.
nice. I like that it's like a choker. And your pants?
These are like army pants.
Army pants? Oh, I'm sure they're keeping you warm then.
Yeah, and then I got like, these are like custom kicks that I made.
Oh,
Like
those are
cartoon.
cool. I totally see that. It's like a comic. And what's your Instagram?
Skunty, SKUNTY. You know what I'm saying? Just put SKTUNY.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Alright, thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Ari.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
I was just kind of going for stuff that matched. I don't know. This is what I wear usually. So this is like a Trip New York City skirt. This I think I thrifted actually. Fishnets. I just thrifted these boots.
You thrifted these boots?
Yeah, I did like the other day.
So cute. It definitely fits for the winter.
This is just like a thrifted jacket.
And what's your Instagram? Okay, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you, you too.
You want me to spin?
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Boosie.
All right, so did you paint your jeans?
Yes, I did paint my jeans. You like
That's
my jeans?
awesome. I do. And how about your shirt?
I made my shirt.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Do you have an Instagram you want to give out?
Yeah, it's Lucifer. VUCIFER.
Thank you so much.
Like Lucifer, but with a V.
Got it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Alright, you too.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Luke. I am a jewelry maker, and my jewelry or like accounts are called Luke's Jewelry, or Little Luke's. Little Luke's.
And I want to get your scrunchie in too.
Oh, this scrunchie was made by my partner. Isn't it the cutest?
It is so cute, and it goes with your coat.
And most importantly, it goes with this cute ass mask that they made too. In love with this.
Oh my gosh, I love the mask as well. Purple's my
Right?
color, so I'm
Same.
living for this coat.
Purple is
And can you tell me about your necklace that you're wearing?
Oh yeah, sure. This one actually came from my grandma. It's the charm is hers, and then I got like the chain off of Amazon.
I love
'cause I needed
it.
something to put it on, and yeah, oh my god, most of my clothes and jewelry pretty much come from my grandma or my mom or some friend. But you know, thrifting always works too.
So tell me about your jewelry. Tell me how you got started with these.
Okay, yeah. So I moved to New York last year and started working as a medical assistant and a research assistant. And at the medical assistant job, me and my coworkers would like practice drawing blood on each other. And so that's where I got the idea for my first earrings.
So your blood is inside of there.
That is my blood, yes.
Wow.
I've gotten a lot of shit for it from like friends and coworkers.
What have they said to you? I can't imagine what somebody could say.
That I'm gonna be cursed. That
What?
That's pretty gross. Is that your blood? But yes, it is my blood, and sure, it's a little gross, but
As long
wrong
as
with
like
that?
you glue it shut and
Oh,
it
yes.
doesn't ever
No,
open.
they're all super glued.
Okay,
and,
good.
I give you all my labs, like my infectious disease reports, just to make sure that you know that. Yeah, I'm good with those things.
And let me get a little close up of your jewelry here. What was your inspiration behind the rest of your pieces?
Well, on TikTok, I saw like these old camp like lacing things being made. Just like, do you remember these sort of video? And was like, oh my god, I do remember those. I always wish that I like knew how to make them / had the material to make them, and I could make them now and make them into earrings. So here we are
Yeah,
now.
I've actually never seen anyone make little hoops out of them, so I thought that was really unique.
And yeah, so I do mostly hoops and like dangles with all these like little charms.
And this is a baby choker?
Yes, that took me forever.
Oh my
but
gosh,
it's
I
my
love
favorite
this one.
choker.
How much is this one?
That one is gonna be really difficult to let go because I mostly made it for myself.
Oh, okay,
But I'd
fair
be
enough.
so down to remake it and
Okay.
/ sell that one for like $80.
Okay, no.
Anyway.
So check them out at Luke's Jewelry on Instagram, everyone.
Or Twitter, Luke's Jewelry, or lukesjewelry.com.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.
You too.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Darryl from the Bronx.
Nice to meet
Right
you.
now I'm wearing Polo, Ralph Lauren, and Supreme.
Yeah, let me get the
I
detail.
got this from the thrift store. I just put it over my Under Armour.
Did you trim it yourself?
Yeah, I turned up myself.
That's
so it's
what's
kinda
up.
And I got this from actually Toronto.
Oh, I see the
It's a spot-
Playboy.
Yeah, it's a spot called Urban Behavior.
Urban
and I got
Behavior.
it for $10.
Oh, that's a good deal. And you got the Balenciagas. And do you have an Instagram?
Yeah, you can reach me at Lenciaga Papa, but it's spelled LENCIAGA Papa.
Thank you so much. Have a great
You
day.
too. Thank you. My name Lord Fentovic, like fentanyl and Beethoven.
Oh, okay. Let me back up and get a little full view.
Fent because everything on me is dead, huh?
Everything on you is dead?
From the silks to the velvets, you know? It's a shame, I'll tell you, son. This is from India. It takes 3 months to make.
Oh, wow.
And I think, I don't know how much they got paid for that. I'm a designer, though. I like to change the world.
So tell me about the rest of your fit, the other fur you got going on.
Oh, right now we got some mink going on. It's like where there's a life of AAA, there's like a AA. All right? And we got some coyote. We got these bags that's designed by me. Everything designed by me, of course. Got these bags. It's a smoker's bag, so
cool.
you look in here, it's a Ziploc.
I've never seen something like
So
that.
it's made out of pigskin, cause you know it's then you know we got the secret pocket. Don't tell nobody about that one. All right. And you know you keep the Zaza, man. You know you keep you some Za. You know we got some Italian ice right here.
And what else do you make?
You know we make everything. We make your dreams come true.
All right. So
walking
go
NFT.
ahead and give your Instagram a shout out.
So I change it all the time. My name is Amadeus on there, but you can find it as Hajia bin Tovin.
Can you spell that for me?
So it's Hajia like the Hajia Sophia, Hagia period. Bin like Bin Laden. You know, Bin means son of. So I think I'm a son of Beethoven. You know, I'm blind. I'm legally blind. Beethoven was deaf. But we make the best compositions.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.
And when you're out there without care, you're always out also. But it was because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Yeah.